Yes, hello and thank you for joining me on this tutorial about how to stake on PancakeSwap. And in this case, we're gonna use Metamask, the wallet Metamask, and PancakeSwap, the token. We're gonna stake PancakeSwap on PancakeSwap app, PancakeSwap Finance. Okay, here we go. Let's start. First, I'm gonna open my wallet here, my Metamask wallet, and of course, gonna be on Binance chain. This is some old transaction. Let me go back here. Alright, so as you see here, I have 18 cake. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go here. Let me start all over here. We're gonna go to PancakeSwap, and we're gonna go under Earn. I'm starting over, and we're gonna go under Earn, and from there we're gonna go to Pools, and from Pools I always like to do the auto cake because I don't have to keep track on it. It just start stake until I stop it, and it restake, automatic restake. What you already staked, it goes automatically to restake. Okay, so that's the compound. Wherever you can accumulate, it's automatically restake. So we're gonna click here, okay, now it's open. Now as you see here, I have already other token that been staked already. So let me make sure it's connected. It looks like it's connected here. Oops. Yeah, here you go. So I have already 18 pancake that been staked right now. So far they brought me $4, I think in 2 days, which is not bad at all. So and the APY is 71%. That's a lot. So what I'm gonna do, in this case, I'm gonna add my pancake. So I'm gonna click on this, and it's gonna pull my pancake here, which shows the balance, another 18. So I'm gonna do a max here, confirm it, and what it's doing now, it's pulling the pancake from my wallet, and I have to approve it from my wallet and confirm. Alright, now as you see here, now I have 37 pancake staking, being staked. So it's adding to the pool. Alright, so it starts staking here already. I don't know what happened to my other $4 they were here. I think they were added already to the Okay guys, that's it. That's how we do the staking on PancakeSwap. I hope you liked the video. Please push the like button, subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.